Have you noticed their tails? What color? They don't have tails. So what's a monkey called without a tail? No.
Chimpanzee.
No. it's an ape. Ape does not have tail. So if you see something with a tail, it's a monkey. Now those are apes.